Hey, how's it going? This is Jair, a real estate agent. I want to share something. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I always tell my clients, you know what? You should look at the insurance as soon as we submit the offer or the process of offer being accepted. And to be honest with you, some buyers do, some buyers they wail to the end. Or say, oh, you know what? My lender said that we're going to check for one. Well, I can tell you this, especially in different areas of San Diego, due to fires and so on, insurance has gone up. So this is a quick tip that you can always take into account, and it's easy. So for full disclosure, I'm going to mention three companies. I'm not related to them. I just did my research, and these are the companies that I think will provide you a fast quote. But the first thing you do is you call your insurance company. Say, by the way, insurance company, it's I'm going to process buying a house. Could you give me an idea how much the insurance can be? So that'll be step number one, which is right here. Second, I will make sure for comparison, there's three companies that can give you quick answers: Hippo, Policy Genius, and Lemonade. I tried the three. I think Hippo is pretty easy. I put in 123 Main Street, get your free quote, and it starts asking me, if I want basic, house or a condo, and it's gonna be me. Where do you want it this week, today? Just browsing. So, and if you want to talk about auto or not right now, and then it gets to your personal information. Policy Genius right away, as soon as I click in, give me your personal information. So I'm going to skip that one for now. And Lemonade was pretty simple. You want to do homeowners insurance, um, and if you want to add pet insurance, that's a different deal. And again, they go to immediate information. So just as reference, Hip was really quick. Lemonade is pretty quick as well. So again, this is the 2 cents that you should get about this. Whenever you're home shopping, as your agent says, you know what, by the way, it looks likely that we're going to get this property right away. Call your insurance company. You know what, I'm shopping around. I might be buying a house. Can you give me a quote? Perfect. You use that as reference. Then you call Hippo, Policy Genius, or whatever company, and you get a quote. The reason being, as you get closer to the end, that's when people start scrambling to get insurance, and they happen to get either the one that the lender suggests. Which, don't get me wrong, I don't. Most of them have pretty good options, but ideally during the buying process, the escrow is going to take about 30 days. So take your time to make sure you have the right coverage and you make an informed decision, and you start looking at the insurance from day one. And by the time it's day 15, you already know what company you're going to go and what's going to be your payment on that. So there's no surprises about saying, oh, you know what, because you're in North County is and in close to a fire zone, is going to be $2,000 more. Or because you're in East County, it's going to be $3,000 more. So again, these are the things that my clients have been surprised for the years. They no longer that longer happens because I always tell them to get insurance right away. But this is one of the things I wanted to share, that it is often overlooked, and the cost of insurance. Just to give you an example, in my house, I used to pay $50 for my condo interior insurance. Now it's close to 170. So that's a monthly. So if I was buying right now with with the notion that it's gonna be $50, by the time they tell me, it's going to be $170 a month, you're like, whoa, what happened to the $50? And that's going to throw my numbers off for whatever I have. So, and that's what I don't want happening to you. This is Jade again, real estate agent. Any questions? Let me know. Take care.